हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम परसेंटेज का कुछ और क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो कि एक डिफरेंट फॉर्म में होगा। मैं एक क्वेश्चन लिया हूं, 65% ऑफ ए नंबर इज 21 लेस देन 4/5 ऑफ दैट नंबर। 65% of a number is 21 less than 4/5 of that number. What will be the number? What is that number? Okay. (65% of a number is 21 less than 4/5 of that number. What is that number? This is the question. So friends, 65%, this is in percentage form and this is in fractional form. We can convert the fractional form into percentage form. So 4/5 is equal to 80%. 8 by 100, so it is 80%. What is the difference between these two? 80 minus 65% will give you 15%. So 15% of the number is 21. What will be the 100%? So because what is the common factor between 15 and 100? 5. So 5% is equal to, dividing both sides by 3, you are getting 7. So 20 times, that means 100.